good morning and welcome to today's vlog. That sounds real cheesy. We are just getting some bits and pieces together for the kids to do some crafts today. They are going to be, Grayson, no. They are going to be making Easter boxes. So usually they have their little baskets they put out for the Easter bunny, but obviously we moved house. We don't have the baskets here and we're not allowed to drive back to the other house to get them. So today they're going to create their own. So yesterday we also got our first Hello Fresh box, so that's super exciting. We're trying to do different things, get different things delivered so we don't actually have to leave the house as often. So we got the meat box, when was that? Monday?
Yeah.
Monday, and then we got a fresh produce box delivered, so that was super exciting. And then yesterday our HelloFresh box arrived, so this is our first time using HelloFresh, so it's super exciting.
Easy.
And super easy, like it comes with these, and it comes with bags that are labelled with the right colour. Super easy instructions. This isn't sponsored by HelloFresh, by the way. I am just trying to make your guys' life a little bit easier. Okay, so super exciting. While the kids do their... While the kids fight and do their Easter boxes, I'm so ready for lockdown to be over. I swear I will never take daycare for granted again, ever. Ever. Anyway, while they do this, our washing machine blew up on lockdown day lockdown day 2, I think it was. Our washing machine pooped itself and our new one has just arrived. I am so freaking excited. So Ella can help you if you want.
Yeah.
Take it down.
Okay. I was just grabbing all the pencils.
That's right.
And I just throwing it into the bucket. I was just throwing it into the basket. Easter. Happy Easter.
Go for it, keep going.
Oh Lord, stop taking me off.
So I was just sitting here about to edit my vlog and I realised I didn't give an update on Lincoln. So he had surgery yesterday. He had to have 2 teeth removed and an abscess drained. So he has an infection all in his jaw. So half his face was very, very swollen. He was in a lot of pain. We actually didn't know if he was even going to be able to get the operation yesterday because of what's been happening with COVID-19. But thankfully he was classed as urgent, so he got through yesterday morning at 8:30. It took about half an hour, I think, and then he woke up. He was happy as Larry, had an ice block, and he has seriously been a different kid. He has not complained of being in pain at all. It's been absolutely amazing. So yeah, Lincoln is doing perfect.
You like it, don't you?
Mum, guess what?
What?
I made my own secret base on Minecraft.
Hey.
Yeah.
Ta, are you finished? Thank you. Thank you. Hey, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
bored. Daddy's tired.
And does your tooth feel good? Yeah. Okay, and did the tooth fairy come visit you last night? Yeah. That's pretty cool. And the tooth fairy let you keep your teeth due to COVID-19.
He didn't keep my teeth.
No, she left them, and she left Lincoln a note because due to COVID-19 she wasn't allowed to take his teeth. Sitting outside eating a jelly, watching the rain. No. Meant to be a big storm. Is that nice, Jelly? How is your tooth feeling, Lincoln?
I think it's gonna be a storm.
You think there's going to be a storm?
Yeah, I'm afraid of storm, but what? Lightning, but thunder.
So the kiddies are in bed and now we are going to sit down and watch a movie. I have been asked a few times now what I am or have gotten my children for Easter, and also what Mr. E Bunny is going to be doing for the kids. So I will try and do a vlog maybe tomorrow or the next day about that and get that up. I may put a little disclaimer at the beginning of it for small ears that may not need to listen to the things I have to say, if you understand what I'm saying. Anyway, thank you so much for all your support, for all you people pushing subscribe and like, and notifications are on. You guys are brilliant. If you haven't already, please subscribe and turn your notifications on. Stay safe out there, and we will see you next time in our next vlog. Bye guys.